Well, thank you for getting back to me. I wanted to record a quick video so I could explain the idea more clearly instead of sending you a long message. But here is the idea: selecting a small group of early design partners for Jobs AI Enterprise, which is an AI-powered talent acquisition platform built to help recruiting agencies, staffing firms, and hiring teams reduce manual work in the hiring process. The reason I reached out, reviewing resumes and comparing candidates, writing follow-ups, schedules, and interviews, and trying to keep track of everything across emails, spreadsheets, job boards, and older ATS systems is designed to bring those workflows into one place and use AI to help with candidates screening, resume matching, shortlisting, interview preparation, candidate communication, and hiring insight. For the design partner program, we are not looking for a large commitment. We are looking for a few real hiring or recruiting teams who can test the platform on an actual workflow and give practical selected partners to the platform and direct input into the product roadmap. The goal is simple: to make sure Jobs AI Enterprise is built around real hiring problems, not assumptions, and not assumptions. A quick to give you this video, a look at it. So our partnership program, we do have a partnership program that is clearly listed here. We work with who qualify and who can take advantage of this partnership program. So I'm going to tell you more. I just want to show you some of the features here of the Jobs AI Enterprise. It's a comprehensive platform. It's being used by different industries for hiring, managing of some of the features. You may be surprised: include applicant tracking system, AI sourcing, multi-channel outreach, AI interviews, workflows, executive analysis, compliance center, enterprise security, and there are many people it's built for you hire. So recruiting agencies, staffing firms, corporate HR, and it's a highly automated platform, automate your entire interview pipeline from phone call, emails, and things like that. You could actually, there's a recruiter calculator. You could see how much return on investment. You could use this calculator to calculate how much return on investment is going to make. You can always start using it for free, but for the partnership program. So this is a very conform. We do have a guide here. Comprehensive guide tells you what it is, how to use the tool. If you have any questions, you can also ask the AI, ask the platform to manage from here. They have a news blog as well where we publish articles. There's so many articles and more articles coming. People could book a demo session with us. I'm going to show them how it works. But right now, you could compare it as well with other things so that you see. And I'm just going to go log in so that it gives me full access here. With the full access, you have, this is like a demo session. We have no jobs, but again, question here, and AI is going to reply to you specifically what you want to do. Like you want to write a LinkedIn post announcing a new role. You click on it, it's going to generate an answer. It's going to generate an answer so it helps. It gives you all the guide. And again, on the main menu, you have your workspace here where you update all your activity. You have your inbox, all your roles. When people apply immediately. They apply, the system automatically scores. It goes by the job and apply by job. By the ATS score, it gives you that recommendation. You don't have, as soon as resumes come in, you could just start. You could either manually upload a resume if it comes to another channel, or you could set up an intake email where everybody's going to apply from there. You set up the intake email, you send emails for that specific job. An inbox, you have your jobs here. You have your number of jobs. You manage your jobs here. You want to post a job, you could post it from here. Your job boards. So let's say you want to post your jobs to multiple platforms. So you have a position. You want to look for the best candidate. You want to post. You could set up your job boards, set up, connect any other, maybe you have your own, connect any other customized to your presence. You have your candidates here. You already have a list of candidate pool. You have your pool listed right here, and you can manage from here. You have your sourcing, AI talent rediscovery, and you create a campaign. You click here, you create a campaign for a specific role, maybe senior this, create a role, and it add a step, and you could save it as a draft, generate it. It could help you personalize email. Or you have your schedule here. You could either schedule an interview. Maybe you have a Zoom link. You want to put your Zoom link here, or maybe calendar link, whichever link. They want to schedule an interview, you put it right here, you schedule the time, maybe it's a phone interview, on-site, video, whichever you want to schedule, you schedule it right here. Calls that are being made. You have AI Copilot is your personal assistant, helps you arrange like whatever question you have, whatever things you want to manage. And you have the workflows right here. Maybe there's a workflow that you want to trigger, you want to add a new rule, create a workflow. You have contents in the system, 90 days, 12 months, all the time, gives you that report. So you have your reports here, and then whichever reports you want, and then you have compliance, ATS integration. If you have your own specific ATS integration, you want to connect your ATS integration, you could always connect it. There are options here. You connect your ATS. If you want to connect your ATS, you connect it right there. Connect to, it's a list of ATS. Come to that. Team access here. This is where you choose a hiring manager, interviewer, department head, viewer to just view certain things, and then the access right here. And then there are add-ons here. Specific things that companies may want to add if you really want to add some things here. Certain intake branding. So you want to add your own branding here. Title, you put all your information about your branding. API integration, you have all the integration you think of, you integrate it with everything, connect your Google Calendar. Email, so there's an email chain, and you could either decide which email of extended. So this is a short, there are campaigns. This is just a short, you could start a new campaign and you start from there. Maybe it's an email campaign. Add steps to start a new email campaign, send email, add multiple steps to the email. So after 3 days, today it's going to reply. After 3 days, it sends a follow-up email. Add as many steps as possible. So maybe 5 steps, 4 steps, they automatically reach out to the client until they reply. So once they reply, it comes. So you send a reminder. You don't have to do it many times. So if you have 100 candidates, 300 candidates, you send it to them, and they are going to reply automatically. So you could start from a template if you want, and then you just go from there and things like that. So this is just a quick video. We're going to do a more demo, but I want to thank you for helping here, for just catching up to this video. We're going to go from it. So they go. So I'll be open for a quick call. So I'm going to get back to you and we'll talk about it. Thank you very much for this intro. We're hoping to have you as a partner, hoping to work with you. Hopefully we can have a working relationship with you so that this one important thing I mentioned before was a guide. You could get a guide here. Another option that you have is the ability for language. There are multiple languages. You have Portuguese, Arab, Chinese, whichever language you choose. There are multiple languages. Thank you very much.